Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO device to ASUS Zenfone 9. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and type in and send anywhere in the search bar. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. After that, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other device. Open. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, select Receive on ASUS and Send on an Android. Then click on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, select Send. This way you will choose all of your files and send them later on. It will take a long time to do it now, so I'll go with only this one photo, choose Send and click on Get It. Now on ASUS you need to choose Yes I agree or No thanks. Then click on Close this window and as you can see from here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on Receive button, or we can scan QR code. If you want to scan it, just tap on this scanning icon on ASUS, just wait using the upper only this time, and point your camera at the code. Now as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!